Hello everyone. Now third point we have change of persons. How to change person? The person of the actual words are changed in all their cases in the reported speech. The person means I, we, you. So there are three types of person: first person, second person, and third person. Okay. First person we have I, we, and second we have you, and third person he, she, it, name. Okay, any person, the person of the actual words are changed in all their cases in the reported speech. Their number, however, remain the same. This change of person depends on the person of the subjective
First person.
and objective reporting verb. So, in direct speech, where we have two types of reported speech, subjective reporting verb or objective reporting verb, and both are changed into direct to indirect speech. There are some rules. First rules we have: the first person of the actual words changes according to the person of the SRV. Okay, subjective reporting verb. First person change होगा according to subjective reporting verb. Are you getting?
Yes.
First person change into subjective reporting verb. Okay. Now example. Are you writing? Right. First of all, then after I will erase the board and give you some example
Yes,
of.
sir.
Now look at the board. First example we have, he said, I have done my work. So this is subjective reporting verb. This is he is subjective reporting verb. Okay, and according to subjective reporting verb, first person change into subject. First person I. First person is I. It is changed into सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट क्या है सब्जेक्टिव रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब क्या है ही सो फर्स्ट पर्सन चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्टिव रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सो in direct speech he said that he had done his work. So this is the answer. Okay, have you any doubt? Listen, he is subjective reporting verb and the subjective reporting verb is third person. Subjective reporting verb yani first person I is first person and first person change into subjective reporting verb. Okay, so he said that double inverted for double inverted that first person change into subject and subject is he. So that is why he is here and this is present perfect tense and present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense and structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. That is why he had done his first person possessive case. So that is why first person possessive case change into his verb. Any doubt? Are you getting, beta? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the word. This first person is first person I, okay, and first person change into subjective reporting verb, and subjective reporting verb is he, third person. So according to subjective reporting verb, we can change I into he, and this tense is present perfect tense, and that is why present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. And past perfect tense, the structure is subject plus had plus VP plus object. Okay, he had done his work. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Now I am giving you one more example. One more example. She says, I must control myself. Can you tell me the right answer of this example? Anyone? Divyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
She says that she must control herself.
Very good. She
Thank you, ma'am.
That first person change into subject, and subject is she. She must control, and this sentence is must is what is must? Modals. And modals we cannot change. Okay, so she must control herself. Good. Any doubt? Mayank, Harshit, Arya? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Khushbu, Molly?
No, ma'am.
Good. Note down these examples, then I will proceed to next point. Good. Now look at second point. If the actual words are a universal truth or a general truth, the first person we is not changed. Now look at the example. He said we are mortal. So this sentence is universal truth. This cannot be changed with any circumstances. So we will change it into first person we cannot be changed. First person we cannot be changed into first person, a subjective reporting verb. He said that we are mortal. Okay?
Ma'am, mortals मतलब?
मरणशील. हम लोग मरणशील है ना, बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो मर जाएंगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Mortal means मरणशील. So now once more, if the actual words are in universal truth, some means actual, this is actual sentence. If this actual sentence is in universal truth, universal fact or general truth, and that sentence will be not changed. That sentence will be first person cannot be changed into subjective reporting verb. So we have example. He said we are mortal. He said that we are mortal. Okay. Any doubt?
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Can I erase the board? Have you written? Have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, third point we have. Third point. Third point we have. Now, look at the third point. The second person. Second person. This is second person. When the second person of the actual word changes according to the person of ORV. ORV means objective reporting verb. This is subjective reporting verb and this is objective reporting verb. Okay? When actual word, subject is second person and this second person change into objective reporting verb. Okay? So, what is the right answer of this sentence? I said to him that this is present indefinite tense, present indefinite negative, and this tense will be changed into past, past indefinite. So, second person changed into object. Object is he. He did not do his work. Any doubt? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Second person of the actual word changes into according to the person of ORV, objective reporting verb, and he is objective reporting verb, and I is subjective reporting verb, and you, actual word you, will change into object. Object is he, change into object, it will be he. Okay, he did not do his work. Are you writing? Now look at the board, fourth point. The third person of the actual word. Actual word, if actual word is third person, does not change. Thus, third person does not change at any cost. So, what will be the answer of this director speech, this question? The answer is he said that he was coming that day. Today will be changed into that day. The third person of the actual words that does not change. Third person, she is coming to the actual sentence and she is third person and she will be not changed. He said that she was coming that day. This is the right answer. Any doubt, any problem regarding 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4 rules? Any doubt, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear. I am giving you one other example. Okay, you make it. Everyone says double inverted comma, I can do it. What will be the right answer? Everyone says double inverted, I can do it. I am waiting for your answer. Now look at this table. First person change into subject, second person change into object, third person no change. Remember this rule and your director speech has been completed very soon. First person change into subject, second person change into object, and third person no change. Okay, time is over. Goodbye class.